Hi guys, my name is Joel and I'm a technical officer here at Sport and Exercise Science at Trobe University. Here we're within one of our two mirror-imaged exercise physiology laboratories. These labs are filled with cool exercise science equipment ranging from exercise bikes to measure energy expenditure whilst cycling to treadmills to do a similar thing whilst running. But our most prized possession within the X-Phys laboratories are our Pavometic metabolic carts. These carts are used to measure such things as VO2 max, which is essentially your aerobic capacity whilst exercising, or things like metabolic rate, which is how much energy it takes for you to just live your day-to-day life. The only other place in the world that we know of that have as many Pavometic metabolic carts as us is NASA, so that's pretty cool. The other piece of equipment that's super exciting is our environmental chamber around the corner at the research lab. So let's just go and check it out now. Here we are in the Trobe Sport and Exercise Science Research Laboratory. And as the name suggests, it's predominantly used for research purposes. But as I mentioned before, it does house the Trobe Exercise Science Environmental Chamber. Let's check it out quickly. Now, environmental chambers like this one are used to simulate both heat and altitude and are used for exercise science purposes to acclimatise to different conditions for competition. Sport and exercise scientists will generally get their athletes to train in spaces such as this to get ready for competition in the environmental conditions that you're simulating. Let's have a look through the next lab and see what we have in the way of strength and conditioning. Here we are in the Trobe Sport and Exercise Science Strength and Conditioning Laboratory. This lab boasts a mammoth 8 lifting platforms, 2 of which are instrumented with force plates and 3D motion capture analysis for technique analysis whilst lifting. Students spend a lot of time in these laboratories, such as the strength conditioning lab, learning from the best in the industry in academics about exercise prescription and delivery and how to best apply these theories and concepts in a practical manner. There's also a 40-metre running track in this space that takes us directly into the Biomechanics laboratory. So let's go and see what's over that side. As we walk past this space on the left, you'll see the imposing figure of the Biodex Isokinetic Dynamometer. As we walk into the biomechanics space, we find ourselves stepping onto 2 of our 6 in-ground force plates. These 2 are here embedded in the running track for running technique analysis or walking technique analysis. Over there on that side, we have our general purpose force plate pit, which is used for teaching things like walking and running as well. And over there behind you, there is the kicking pit, which backs directly onto the FIFA accredited synthetic pitch used for kicking analysis.